The more money you earn, the harder it is for you to actually make money. And the reason why I say that is because if you're making 10K per month or 20K per month through your job, you can't just throw that away and start on a side hustle which is paying you a total of zero. The only way you can do that is if you've saved up a bunch of money, you have money for bills, for rent, for I don't know what, food and all the other expenses, and only then can you take that risk. And most people will not even think about leaving a job paying them 10, 20K per month because that's how they live. For me, I'm in the perfect scenario where I'm making just enough that I can actually buy things and progress on this YouTube channel or in my business, but not enough where it is a problem for me to leave my job. So I'm making about $300 per week right now on average. And that means I only need to sell 2 or 3 phones every single week to match that income of 300. That's just 3 to 4 phones. I can do that through messaging on Facebook Marketplace. So when I'm able to save up enough money where I can buy multiple phones, it will be so much easier for me to quit my job and start this business and start making a few thousand per month, then take it to 10K per month, 15K per month, versus somebody who's making 5K per month, 10K per month in their job. They've got bills to pay, rent to pay, and all these other expenses. And A, they'll be overthinking everything, and B, they just don't have as much of a capability to take as much of a risk and make as much of a sacrifice as me. So if you're making less money than other people around you, or you're just not making that much money overall, you don't need to worry too much about it, because it's actually an advantage for you because you have less to lose. And if you have less to lose, you can risk more. So that's why actually earning less money makes you more money. All right, fuck, I gotta go. So while I go and eat some food and go to my job, you should watch this video right here because YouTube says so, and YouTube's pretty smart, so listen to it.